In the heart of Europe, where precision meets innovation, ST Engineering iDirect's Manufacturing Competence Centre stands as a beacon of excellence. For over 5 decades, we've been the trusted partner for industries where reliability is non-negotiable. Aerospace, space, defence, medical, and high-tech communications. What sets MCC apart? Our core competencies are designed to deliver turnkey solutions with unmatched precision and reliability. From end-to-end PCBA manufacturing to full system integration, including advanced mechatronics and final packaging, we manage your entire production process. Whether it's standard assembly or complex, high-reliability systems, our expertise ensures seamless execution every time. Our engineers develop customized test procedures, from simple go, no-go checks to complex iterative test flows tailored to your product. With functional testing, iterative debugging, and specialized setups, we ensure every component meets the highest standards before it reaches you. When challenges arise, our repair and modification services restore performance with precision. Using advanced tools like X-ray inspection and careful thermal profiling, we handle complex repairs and replacements for virtually every type of component. Because reliability doesn't end at production, it's a lifelong commitment. At MCC, partnership is at the heart of everything we do. From your first inquiry to final delivery, we provide operational support before, during, and after production. With a dedicated single point of contact, transparent reporting, and flexible support, we're not just a supplier, we're your trusted ally in success. We take full responsibility for your supply chain, ensuring end-to-end traceability and reliability. From conditioned component storage to lifecycle management and cost optimization, our robust processes guarantee full traceability. MCC is the only EMS provider in Belgium to win the Factory of the Future award 4 times, recognizing our leadership in innovation, digitization, and sustainable manufacturing. Through our integrated system of standards, leadership, processes, competence, and continuous improvement, MCC delivers every product and service on spec, on time, and with the highest quality and reliability. Let's manufacture success together. Discover how our expertise can bring your vision to life. Whether you're developing a groundbreaking product, optimizing your manufacturing process, or seeking a trusted partner for high reliability electronics, we're here to support you.